Hello everyone, I am Niharika. Welcome to the English workbook. Here I am with another video on spoken English, and as you can see again in the title, through the title, that it is going to help you a lot, and so many of you will get answer to a very common question that, ma'am, we don't have anyone to speak in English with. So what should we do? So there we go. I will be sharing some tips, maybe hacks, call it whatever you want, but these things will definitely help you when you are alone. You don't have any partner with you and still you want to get good at spoken English. Yes, having someone around you helps a lot, and it is what we prefer. But there are cases, and I have met some people, and many of the comments from you guys, through that I understand that there may not be someone around you. In that case, what you are going to do, these are the things which I'm going to mention shortly, which will really help you. Before we go ahead, make sure that you have subscribed the channel, hit on that bell icon so that you keep getting all the updates whenever there is a new video out here, and also like and share the video. Let's start with this first suggestion, that is read out loud, record, and listen. So it's read, record, listen. You need to pick up an article that you really like, okay, whatever genre it is, whatever thing you would like to read for yourself. Sometimes remember your childhood, okay, you wanted people to read out things to you and you would like to listen to it, okay. The same way, you pick up your favorite topic and then maybe get a story of that particular thing, or maybe an article that talks about the same thing in which you are interested. You would want someone to read that thing out for you, but you can do it for yourself, okay. So yes, read out loud whatever the piece of content you have, record it, and then maybe after some time, like give it a break, 30 minutes plus, okay, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and then listen to it, okay. You can also record a message for yourself. I saw this thing in the Big Bang Theory. He recorded a message for himself. Sheldon recorded a message for himself. Maybe with this thing you can also experiment with, that you can record something motivating, something to encourage you, some good thing to remind you how good days you have lived or how good time you had with someone. So you can record that thing and then listen to it later. In that way, you will get to know where you are standing, how much you have to improve. Maybe it will help you in understanding where you are making mistakes in terms of grammar, and how well you have communicated what you want to, what you had in your mind. Okay, practice this thing. Even when you are alone, you can easily give it a shot. The next thing is plan your day, but do it aloud. Okay, let's say you got up in the morning and then you have some classes scheduled. You have to visit to your father's office, then you have to pick up some things, grocery maybe from the market. When you are planning your day, it is not only useful when it comes to spoken English, but it will also be useful for your organizational skill. You will be more organized. So right away in the morning, make sure to plan your day, and instead of doing it in your head, you can simply do it by speaking it out aloud. Okay, now that's what you are supposed to be doing, right? I'll give you one example, maybe that will help you, maybe a little demo. So let's say I just woke up. Okay, this is a pre-recorded video, but then still for you guys. So let me imagine, like I woke up and after or while I'm having my breakfast, I'm also planning my day out. I can do that in English and I can do it loudly. I'll just start it this way. Okay, so today I have a class at 1 p.m. I need to cover topic of nouns in that class. After that, I'll take a short break of 30 minutes. Then I have other class, and the topic of that class is reading comprehension. I need to search good articles so that I can get some questions out of it. I'm also planning to cook something special in dinner today. I need to get some things for that from the nearby supermarket. I need to go out for that. Maybe I'll ask Himanshu, he's my husband, so maybe I'll ask Himanshu to take me to the supermarket and we will get some things, some essentials from there. I need to make sure that today I fill so and so form and I do some of my chores, which I have kept pending for a long time now. I need to make sure to do the dishes. And I think that's it. That's enough for today. I'll take some rest, maybe watch an episode of a web series before I go to sleep. I need to do some of the other tasks related to my work. So just plan it out. This was the demo, by the way. Okay, I was just randomly saying things I would have done on a normal day basis. That's what you can do. Okay, so make sure to plan out your day and do it in a way when you are actually telling yourself that, hey, you got to do it. Okay. Then the third thing, which is a very interesting thing. Now, this thing will help in your pronunciation more than fluency and ability to speak to people. It will help you in getting good on the part of pronunciation. Now, that is try out the tongue twisters. I will try leaving some tongue twisters in the description box below. Okay, so in the description box there is my profile where you will find link of my Unacademy profile, my website, my social media handles. Along with that, I will leave some tongue twisters for you to follow to practice. Now, when you go through these tongue twisters, just pick up one or two of them on daily basis and try them out. Okay, that will help you in your pronunciation. Quickly changing from one word to other, especially when the sounds are very similar, it becomes difficult for us. Okay, or we can just end up in mispronouncing that word. So that should not happen, and for that this practice of tongue twisters will help you. Even you can share it with your friends when you are there with your friends. Otherwise, the purpose of this video is to help those who don't have anyone to speak with in English, and you can simply do it on your own by yourself, and that will definitely help you. Okay, so next one is something I did a lot in my initial days of learning English, that is intrapersonal communication. I have done my graduation in the stream of mass communication, and we were taught different types of communication. The very first one is intrapersonal, where you speak to yourself, with yourself, and you do it with a topic in your mind. You can start discussing, right? You can start reasoning some things, whatever perspective you have. Now, let it not be just in your mind, but let it come out of your mouth in the forms of sentences, phrases, words. Now, please don't keep doing it throughout the day. Otherwise, some people may find you insane. We don't want that. You should actually try out speaking to people around you. But in case when you have no option, this is for those people, and do it for a short period of time. Okay. I'll give you one example. And in this way, you will understand even in a better manner. Have you seen movies and serials and soap operas, daily soaps, where they think something, they will plan something, and whatever is going in their mind, we get to listen to that dialogue. Okay, so um, let's take any topic, strategy. Okay, strategy for parajumble. Okay, this is a very technical topic. Or let's take something else. Okay. Okay, so you want to have a discussion on a party which you are organizing along with another friend. Okay, let's take that into consideration, a better option. Okay, now here what is there that you can talk about, what you will discuss with your friend when you will meet your friend. You can think about those things. So let's say party should be of this theme. It should have balloons as decoration and some lights, not loud colored lights, but then some mild colored, maybe orangish reddish lights can work out. It will give us that feel of a nice soothing ambience. I think better would be to keep a DJ instead of just playing a playlist out from our mobile. So that's what you can do. Okay, you can think, take time. Nobody is pushing you. You should not be in hurry. So take time. Okay, we can ask people to get some gifts which can be really useful, and not to get gifts which are just for keepsake. I mean, it's again a random idea, but it is an idea, and you are free to express yourself in the weirdest possible manner because nobody is going to judge you. Okay, have a discussion. So the first thing which I said was, like, when you are reading what is written in front of you. Second thing, you are planning. There is not a restriction in that planning, but of course you will plan only certain things, right? You cannot plan out each and everything, but you can have opinions, you can have some ideas about each and everything. Now recently we got to know that the new president of the USA is Mr. Joe Biden. You can have your opinion on the whole election scenario. Okay, for some time, if you were following the news, you might know that for a while, counting, it got stopped, okay, because of some reason, protests and all. Then you can again think about it. In my opinion, people should be supportive, citizens should be supportive of the whole electoral system over there, because it costs a lot, and they should act as responsible citizens instead of protesting over there. You can always have your opinions. You do have your opinions. It's just not vocal. So come on, speak it out, okay? That will help you. And the fifth one is sing a song. You may not be a good singer, no problem. You may not know the right key in which to sing, and maybe you don't like your own voice. Sometimes that happens, it's okay. But when you are alone, pick up a simple English song, maybe those songs which you find in children's movies and all. Those songs are fairly easy, and they will help you in getting in flow. You can also at the same time, if you don't want to sing a song, you can just imitate dialogues of your favorite actor or actress, or you can redo the speech. You can listen to something and try recalling it, and speaking it out in your own way. You can practice this. So this is like a borrowed content from someone. A song is borrowed from a movie or an album. Dialogues are borrowed from again a movie series or something like that. So you are just taking content and copying it, but that will help you in getting good at English, trust me. Especially songs, we might be doing that with Hindi songs. I think most of us we do that, right? And why can't you do it with English songs? But pick up some good songs, like, happy songs, and some songs which you can actually sing properly. Don't try to pick up those songs which are like too high in pitch and way too fancy, or like a rap song or something. You don't want to do that if you are a beginner. Okay, be easy on yourself, go easy on yourself. Don't jump directly in that level 10 when you were supposed to be doing level 1, level 2, right? And dialogues also can help you a lot because you're imitating. You will understand how he said, what she said, and what I am doing. That will help you in improving your English even when you are alone and you don't have anyone to speak with in English. But be positive and be really zealous about this thing to find someone with whom you can practice English and you can have some actual conversation with. I'll be soon back here with more such videos to encourage you, to push you, to make you speak in English, and how you can get good at English. Some of the other things I have in my mind to teach you regarding and with respect to spoken English. So let's see how it goes. Till then, take care, all of you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.